vitu walikuwa wanakoroga juu.
So
leo ilikuwa weight ya kokoto na simiti.
Unampata? Tena yeye alikuwa ameweka tu huku na huku na slab.
Alafu naona hiyo height ya hiyo column.
And so far, we have confirmed that 2 people are dead, 7 were injured and taken to various hospitals within the city, and 2 were not injured. They just walked away with the assistance of the members of the family. However, as you can see from the rubble, we cannot ascertain completely that the area has been thoroughly searched. So we will be able to conduct a thorough search and rescue to determine if indeed there are no any other Kenyans